Hi, my name is Geraldine Cook, owner of Life Path Hypnosis and Coaching. I'm a board-certified hypnotist and hypnocoach. I specialize in law of attraction hypnosis and coaching, as well as holistic hypnosis and coaching. Please join me this year for the 2021 Virtual NGH Convention. In this workshop, I'm going to be talking about the nuts and bolts of creating your own workshop and helping you create a blueprint, your blueprint for the workshop that you're going to create. And within your workshop, who is your target audience and how will you attract them? And we want you to grow your client list. If you've thought about creating your own workshops and you think that it's just way too much, it's not. I will walk you through some of the simple steps. I will share with you some secrets that a lot of people use. And I will help you put your spin on your workshops. Please join me, and I look forward to seeing you and hearing from you. Have a great day and create well.